Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for this opportunity for me. On this occasion, I would like to present my research entitled Kaulinan Barudak Illustrated the Story Design as a Medium of Cultural Education in West Java. Introduce me, Ricky Taufik Afif from Telkom University Visual Communication Design Study Program. Introduce, these are my colleagues who wrote and compiled this paper. First, Mr. Diki Dayat, second, Ms. Arumulandari, and last, Mr. Dafa Rehan Al-Ghifari from Visual Communication Design Study Program Telkom University. Okay, in this introduction, one of the most popular childhood of West Java children, especially the 90 generation, is a traditional game that is routinely played after school or on holidays. Games such as Puff the Mikado, Get Trick become popular games that decorate grow of West Java children. As information technology developed, West Java children began to get used to using gadgets even in elementary school. Age children makes them closer with apps and game in their gadget than traditional games, which is a culture of their own identity. It is expected that cultural education with creative media such as illustrated stories presented scientific approach can provide a new characteristic in the world of West Java literacy and socialism. Bring the people of West Java close, especially the children of West Java, with Kaulinan Barudak children's game, typical of West Java, so that the people and children of West Java can get back close to their cultures, especially Kaulinan Barudak, which is the traditional culture that become their identity. Okay, next, I will to present research method. This is the research method. Use mixed method or mixed method. According to Sugiono, that's mixed method are a research method that combines quantitative methods and qualitative method. So be used together in a research activity so that more comprehensive, valid, reliable, and objective data is obtained. Based on the above opinion that a combination research method is a method of research using two methods, namely quantitative and qualitative research method for use in a research activity. Okay, next, about the result and discussion. From the observation process and interview with Sundanese culturalists and Sundanese culture teacher found a lot of traditional Sundanese games. Of the many traditional Sundanese games filtered again with questionnaire to the children of Sundanese art workshop and concluded there are six traditional Sundanese games that are most popular and known in the majority of Sundanese areas. Traditional games are very many in number, especially in West Java with roots at very long culture makes traditional game is this area very diverse. Quoting from the book People Games of West Java region in book Ministry of Education and Culture. Okay, first about game children in culture West Java. Bebentengan. Bebentengan is popular game in Sundanese land of West Java. Bebentengan means defense to bertahan, menjaga gawang atau menjaga tempat teritori yang sudah disiapkan atau yang sudah disepakati. The word for fortification is Dwi Purwa or repetition of the first syllable. The game is spread in Banten and Cirebon. If you look at the historical aspect of these areas, there are still many fortresses and buildings of the Dutch colonial era. Okay, second game of children is known as West Java is Congkak. Congkak, this game is currently very popular among children of the 90th generation, where the pride is played by the children after school. Therefore, this traditional game is known through West Java. The game is played generally at leisure and is performed during the day, afternoon, and night before going to bed. Okay, next is Gatrik. Gatrik game is a popular game and played by men as well as warriors. For the meaning and the origin of the word Gatrik is the game still has not been found where it come from. But according to respondent to this word Gatrik is the word kirata, mengulang-ulang kata ya. The word dijaga dan dijentrik digabung Gatrik. Oke, next ngadu muncang. Ngadu muncang is Indonesian mean pecan seed fight ya. Where two pecan seed are glued to each other that are clamped with tools made of bamboo. Then the bamboo clasp was hit from the outside right at the point where the two camera seats were pinched. Because of the blow, then one of the hazelnut seeds will break. Okay, next Oray-Orayan. Oray-Orayan song are very familiar to childrens because in addition to the game played by involving a large number of children also in the game, the player involved singing the song Oray-Orayan is very legendary. Okay, in the last Susumputan. Susumputan is Bipurwa. Ya, bahasa Birpurwa that is the origin of the word from Sumput. Sumputan also mean a game in which the player who play in the game has which is then sold by the person who appointed as ucing of the person who has to look for the people who are hiding earlier. The game Shrinkage is played by hiding Ministry of Education uh, of Culture. This is study it was decade in providing and transferring the value of education to the people of West Java, especially among teenagers. The author will be use illustrate story as or cergam as a visual medium to deliver education value about the traditional game culture of West Java. Okay, this is step to create Cargam, cerita bergambar, illustrated story in Kaulinan Barudak. First, we create a sketsa. Next, we give it a color, shading, shadow. Next, finally render. Okay, in the last conclusion from the above exposure and the finding of the interview, the distribution of questionnaire, and also the result of library studies can be summed up the following point. First, traditional games that are famous and popular in West Java. Uh, Six game, namely Gatrik, Sumputan, Oray-Orayan, Ngadu Muncang. Okay. Second, educational media that use image in their delivery is much more effective and accepted than just text. With image, it will appear imagination and also convenience and absorbing information. And the last, scientific method are very appropriate to the medium of illustrated education and help convey the purpose learning appreciator or learner. Okay, thank you very much for everyone for your attention. Sorry for the mistake. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.